Welcome back. You're watching Quest for Quiz, the qualifying round for TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz. The scores are Spalding Primary on 1 point, Ocho Rios Primary on 2. It's now time for the Junior Challenge Face-Off, which covers math, science, English language, and social studies. The teams have already made their selections for each face-off, so we begin with Face-Off 1. It's in the category of mathematics. It's between Siobhan Rooms of Spalding Primary and Jashawn Sims of Ocho Rios Primary. Siobhan of Spalding, we begin with you. What's the sum of 298 and 857?
Miss 11,165?
That's incorrect. Jashawn, would you like to try?
Yes, please.
Go ahead.
Is it 1,155?
That is correct. Siobhan, what is 16 minus 13.85? Question passes. Jashawn, would you like to try?
No, thank you.
It's 2.15. Siobhan, a woman bought a handbag for $1,200 and sold it at a profit of 10%. What was the selling price? Jashawn, question passes to you. Would you like to try?
No, thank you.
It's $1,320. Siobhan, what is 280 divided by 5?
Miss 54?
That's incorrect. Jashawn, would you like to try?
No, thank you.
It's 56. Siobhan, what's the next term in the sequence? 1, 3, 9, 27.
Miss 29?
That's incorrect. Jashawn, would you like to try?
Is it 36?
That's also incorrect. It's 81. Jashawn, now over to you. What's the sum of 587 and 624? Question passes to you, Siobhan. Would you like to try?
Miss 1,211?
That is correct. Jashawn, what is 9 minus 6.94?
$2.6?
I don't know what came first, whether it was a bell or it was incorrect either way. Siobhan, would you like to try?
Yes, miss. Yes, thank you. 2.06?
2.06 is the correct answer. Jashawn, a girl bought an item for $1,500 and sold it at a loss of 20%. What was the selling price? Question passes. Siobhan, want to try?
Yes, thank you. $1,200?
That is correct. Jashawn, what is 402 divided by 6?
Is it 7?
That's incorrect. Siobhan, would you like to try?
No, thank you.
It's 67. Jashawn, what is the next term in the sequence? 1, 4, 16, 64.
Is it 196?
That's incorrect. Siobhan, would you like to try?
Yes, thank you. 68?
That's also incorrect. It's 256. And that takes us now to our next face-off. It's in the category of science. It's between Unique Mackenzie of Spalding Primary, who is up against Lamario Reed of Ocho Rios Primary. Unique, complete this statement with the correct word. When there is a small amount of light entering it, the pupil of the eye gets... Lamario, want to try?
Wider.
Or bigger or larger, that is correct. Unique, by what process do plants make their own food?
Photosynthesis.
That's correct. A hammer is an example of which simple machine? Time's up. Lamario, want to try?
No, thank you.
It's a lever. Unique, what type of joint is found in the shoulder?
Ball and socket.
That's correct. What happens to air when it is heated? Lamario, want to try?
No, thank you.
It rises, or it gets lighter and rises. Lamario, complete this statement correctly. When light rays pass through the cornea of the eye, they... Unique, want to try?
No, thank
It's
you.
bend. Lamario, what's the main source of energy in photosynthesis?
Water.
That's incorrect. Unique, would you like to try?
Yes, thank you. Sunlight.
That is correct. Lamario, a light bulb is an example of which simple machine? Unique, want to try?
No, thank
It's
you.
a screw. Lamario, what type of joint is found in the knee?
A hinge joint.
That's right. Lamario, what's the name for the movement of air in such a way that fresh air replaces stale air in an enclosed place? Unique, want to try?
No, thank you.
It's ventilation. And that takes us now to our next face-off. It's in the category of English language. It's between Adriel White of Spalding Primary up against Gianna Garel of Ocho Rios Primary. Adriel, complete the proverb. Don't put all your eggs...
Into one basket.
Accepted, that's correct. Adriel, form a verb from the word circle.
Circular.
That's incorrect. Gianna, want to try?
Yes, please. Yes, please. Circulation.
That's also incorrect. It's encircle. Adriel, spell vicious.
Vicious.
That's right. Which preposition usually follows the word acquainted? Gianna, want to try?
No, thank you.
It's with. Adriel, identify the conjunction in the sentence. The moon and stars appeared in the night.
And
That's correct. Gianna, now over to you. Complete the proverb. Good things come to those.
who helps themselves?
That's incorrect. Adriel, want to try?
Yes, thanks. Yes, thank you. Who work for it?
That's also incorrect. It's who wait. Gianna, form a verb from the word behavior.
Behaviorless.
That's incorrect. Adriel, want to try?
No, thank you.
It's behave. Gianna, spell conscious.
CONSICOUS.
That's incorrect. Adriel, would you like to try?
Yes, thank you. CONCIOUS.
That's also incorrect. It's conscious. CONSCIOUS. Gianna, which preposition usually follows the word accused? Adriel, want to try?
No, thank you.
It's accused of. Of is what we're looking for. Gianna, identify the conjunction in the sentence. I wanted to see the movie, but the cinema was closed.
But
That is correct. Taking us now to our final face-off in the category of social studies. It is between Cameron Brown of Spalding Primary up against Ruth Ann Ormsby of Ocho Rios Primary. Cameron, on which continent is Brazil located?
Miss South America.
That's right. In Trinidad and Tobago, who is the head of state? Ruth Ann, want to try?
No, thank you.
It's the president, who's Paula May Weeks. Cameron, if someone is awarded the Jamaican National Award Order of Merit, how should they be officially addressed?
The most honorable.
That's incorrect. Ruth Ann, would you like to try?
No, thank you.
It's the honorable. Cameron, in which year did Michael Manley retire as Prime Minister of Jamaica? Question passes to you, Ruth Ann. Would you like to try?
No, thank you.
It's 1992. Cameron, which Jamaican national hero died in 1977?
Marcus Mosiah Garvey.
That's incorrect. Ruth Ann, want to try?
Yes, please. Sir Alexander Bustamante.
That is correct. Ruth Ann, we're now over to you. On which continent is Nigeria located?
Africa.
That's right. Which Caribbean country became a republic in 2021?
Barbados.
That's right. If someone is awarded the Jamaican National Award Order of National Hero, how should they be officially addressed?
The most honorable.
That's incorrect. Cameron, want to try?
No, thank you.
It's the right excellent. Ruth Ann, in which year did Edward Seaga become Prime Minister of Jamaica for the first time? Question passes. Cameron, want to try?
No, thank you.
It's 1980. Ruth Ann, which Jamaican national hero died in 1940?
Samuel Sharp.
That's incorrect. Cameron, want to try?
Yes, please.
Go ahead.
Miss Paul Bogle.
That's incorrect. The correct answer we were looking for is Marcus Garvey. And that's the end of the final face-off and the end of section 2. The scores so far are Spalding Primary on 7, Ocho Rios Primary on 6. Stay tuned, more Quest for Quiz when we return from this break.